Alright, so this one's asking us to take another derivative, and at first glance it looks to be a lot more complicated. The function certainly has a lot more going on with it, but really what this one's going to amount to is the product rule twice. So if I'd like to find the derivative of y with respect to x, then I'm going to focus on this part for just a second, because I've got 2x times the sine of x. So I'm just going to use the product rule for these. And the product rule says take the derivative of the first times the second plus the derivative of the second times the first. Squeeze the 2x up here. Okay, so all of this with the product rule gives me that. And then I'm going to use the product rule again over here because I've got x squared times e to the x. This plus sign is going to be that plus sign. Alright, so same rule. Derivative of the first times the second plus the derivative of the second times the first. And that's pretty close to all that can be done. Really can't do much with this. I guess you could factor out a 2 out of those two if you want to. I'm not even going to bother. And then over here, both of these have an e to the x and at least one x. So I will go ahead and factor that out. So if I factor out an x and an e to the x, this times this is supposed to give me that, and this distributed to this is supposed to give me this. And there we have it.